Hello and welcome to How to Play Sir Garnet, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Sir Garnet. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 9 players. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. Each player is dealt 5 cards in sets of 3 and 2 cards at a time. An additional hand of 5 cards is dealt just to the right of the dealer. Sir Garnet is a trick-taking card game. The object of the game is to bid and win tricks. A trick is created by players playing a card into the middle. The player with the highest ranking trump card played wins the trick. If no trump card was played, the highest ranking card in the lead suit will win the trick. The cards are ranked with the aces being the highest down to the twos being the lowest. The trump-suited cards will outrank all other suits for the round. Going back to the hand that was dealt earlier, I have flipped up each player's cards for you to see. In an actual game, you will keep your cards hidden from the other players. The player left of the dealer is first to make a bid or pass on bidding. A bid is an amount of tricks the player thinks they will win in the round. Player 2 passes on bidding. Player 3 bids 3. Player 1 would have to bid 4 or 5 to win the bid now. Player 1 chooses to pass on bidding, and Player 3 wins the bid. The bid winner will lead the first trick. The suit of the first card led is the trump suit for the round. Player 3 leads the ace of hearts, making hearts the trump suit for the round. Play moves to Player 1. Players must play a card in the same suit that was led whenever possible. Player 1 plays the queen of hearts. Play moves to Player 2. Player 2 does not have a heart to follow suit. When a player cannot follow the lead suit, the player can play any card. The player with the highest ranking trump card wins the trick. If no trump suited cards were played, the highest ranking card in the lead suit wins the trick. Player 3 wins this trick with the highest ranking trump suited card. The player that wins the trick will lead the next trick. Player 3 leads the 9 of diamonds this time. Player 1 does not have a diamond and can play any card. Player 2 follows suit with the 4 of diamonds. Player 3 wins the trick with the highest ranking card in the lead suit. Player 3 will lead again, and players continue playing 2 tricks until all cards have been played. Players will count the number of tricks won at the end of the round. Player 3 has won 4 tricks, Player 1 got 1 trick. Player 3 made their bid of 3. With a successful bid, the bid winner will score the amount bid from each player. Player 3 wins 3 points from each player for a total of 6 points. Each opponent goes to -3 points. The total score for all players should always equal 0. If a bid winner is unsuccessful in winning the required amount of tricks, they would pay each opponent the amount bid. For example, if Player 3 only got 2 tricks after bidding 3, Player 1 and Player 2 would both get 3 points, and Player 3's score would be -6. The game is played for an agreed upon amount of deals. During bidding, a player can choose to take the additional hand that was dealt. When taken, the player will add the 5 cards to their 5-card hand. Then the player will select 5 cards from the 10 cards to keep for the round. When taking the additional hand, the player wins the bid at 5 and has to win all the tricks during the round. That wraps up How to Play Sir Garnet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!